experiment, the materials are very simple. We started off with a variety of wine glasses. Here we have a champagne glass, which is tall and skinny, just a regular goblet, which is a little bit shorter, and a wide red wine glass. And we also had forks available. These we use as striking instruments to measure the pitch and look at the variety of things. And we also just use water to fill them up at different levels. And from there we could also measure the pitch and the differences that water and size makes. Our group did our experiment on sound as energy, and we decided to look at how the sound from tapping a wine glass affects pitch and the variety. And our complex question is, what affects the change in pitch on a wine glass? My name is Chelsey Roth.
I'm Jacqueline Martin.
And I'm Lindsay.
Alright, for the first question we looked at, does the different amount of water in each glass affect the pitch? So we have 4 of the same size wine glasses, and our claim was that the more water in each glass, the lower the pitch would be. And if you just tap it in the same location on each glass, and there you see that the pitch got lower. This is the full one, and here we have just a small amount. And by tapping the same spot, the pitch gets lower as the more water is in the glass.
For our second experiment, we came up with a question: does the location where you tap the wine glass affect the pitch? So we're going to hit in 3 different spots on each glass: in the bottom, the middle, and then the top. And we had claimed that the higher you tap the glass, the higher the pitch. And obviously, as you've seen, after we tapped each glass in different locations, the higher the location, the higher the pitch became.
So question 3 is, does the shape of the wine glass affect the pitch? So how we're going to test this is by taking our fork and hitting each wine glass in the same location. So as you can see, the pitch got higher as the wine glass got skinnier. So our claim is that the wider the opening of a wine glass, the lower the pitch, or the wider the wine glass, the lower the pitch, the skinnier the wine glass, the higher the pitch. And our evidence is that after using the 3 different wine glasses, as you could see, the pitch got higher as the wine glass got skinnier.